guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media, and today we are going to be setting up my planner for the week of the pause, the 21st through the 30th. So the first thing I always do is pick out a washi. So I'm going to pick out a washi. I gotta say, I feel like I've been using Coffee Monster Co. washi like all the time. And I mean, I don't have an issue with that. Like, Coffee Monster Co. washi is literally my favorite washi. So I think I'm just gonna go with the same thing again. I don't know. It is starting to feel like spring outside, but I have to say it's supposed to rain this week. I don't know like why I do this, but I feel like I try to plan my week according to how I feel the week is going to be. So I'm thinking something like this would be kind of fun. So this is obviously Coffee Monster Co. And maybe I have these little face ones that I think would look good together. So I think that would be a good one. So let's go ahead and do that. I think it'll be cute. Oh, I do have to add so I haven't really been snacking much, so I'm gonna remove the snack part. I'm just gonna add dinner, lunch, and breakfast. So the same thing. Breakfast, and this is just for me to know up to where the washi can go. So I'll go ahead and add this one first, I think. Yeah, cute. Like oh, I went too far over there. And that's good. Let me grab my ruler. I feel like I just jumped right into it. I feel like I didn't even get to like really even say hi to you guys, see how y'all are doing. I think it was last week. Usually I post a video Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and last week I wasn't able to post one on Tuesday. I had a video ready and everything, and I was like editing it, and then for some reason my SD card was corrupted. Like I couldn't edit the video. It stopped exporting, and I was like, this sucks. Like I was so frustrated. I almost wanted to cry because I was like, oh, I had good footage, but whatever, like it happens, so it's no big deal, and we just had to kind of move on from that. Oh, I think I'm gonna actually put it all the way over here. I mean, that's good, but I'm thinking I'm not taking it all the way across, maybe just like halfway I think would be fun. So like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Or should I do it at the bottom? I think I'm gonna do it down here because I gotta be honest, like when it comes to like meals on the weekends, I don't really like plan it out or have anything specific. My go-to breakfast is eggs. So I always have eggs, and that's why I don't really care if it's not on here. Now I am thinking about adding this same washi up at the top. I think that would be fun, but let's see if it will look good or even if it'll fit. I have to admit, y'all, I'm recording this on Sunday. Like the day that it goes up, I'm going to be uploading it because yesterday Matthew was away. I think he went to a concert with his sister, and I obviously didn't want to go, like what's new. And I'm not sure if I should add this up here. I feel like this will cover it all up. This is I don't think I'm going to add this. I don't think so, because I mean, I could add it on the days that I don't post the video. I think that would be kind of fun. But is it too much? I mean, like, not really. But what I was saying, yesterday, Matthew went to a concert with his sister, and I stayed behind and just hung out at home. And I was like, oh, I should record the video today, like kind of get it done and prepped and ready and out of the way. But I was just so lazy for some reason. So I didn't get to upload a video or edit or anything ahead of time. So I'm doing this the day of, which, I mean, big deal. It's like, it's really not a whole lot. And you'll be able to see it like the day of and kind of give me your feedback. Tell me what you think. Yeah. Anyways, okay, so I like to do always literally the same thing, and I tell you all that every single time because it's just simple for me. And it's easy for me to keep up with it. Now I'm thinking probably, okay, I'm gonna grab this one just in case. Oh, that's lifting. And then I think I'm gonna go with that one. But let's kind of test it out. Let me grab a sticky note so I can test it out like that. Yeah, I am thinking about using, because the pink would look great, but I feel like this one would just be really nice. Yeah, I feel like that kind of makes it pop a little bit. What are we thinking? Gosh, I think I'm gonna use the blue, if I'm being honest. I think the blue would look really nice. Unless we like alternate, kind of like what I did on, what week was it? Like this week. This was fun. I think, yeah, why don't we alternate? Let's alternate. Alternate. Okay, so I work from 9 to 5:30. That's 17 and a half. We're gonna skip one, take it over here. Same thing. And then skip to Friday. Okay, now let me grab, oh my gosh. Okay, now let me grab the pink here. And, oh yeah, the pink looks good. Yes, I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add lunch, and I'm gonna alternate it. So my lunch is a 1 to 2, doing the alternating. And then on Friday, cute. Okay, and then grab this one. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be a really fun week. Okay, and then I like to add YouTube on each of the days. I'm gonna use this pen. I just got this. I got it from Felice Modern. I shared a video on TikTok. I'll go ahead and show that now. Store here in San Antonio, and they have like cute little knickknacks, cute little like souvenirs that are like San Antonio related, Texas related. It's just really fun. And they had this cutie little pen when I went, and I thought it was adorable, so I had to get it. So okay, let's go ahead, and I'm gonna actually grab this for a little bit of support, and I'm gonna put YouTube. Okay, that's good. And then the same thing for Thursday and Sunday. Okay, and then on Sunday, okay, perfect. So there's that. And then I'm also going to write down work. I work every single day, 9 to 5:30. Now, I'm pretty sure, I think Tuesday I have a half day, but I don't remember what time I start. If I'm not mistaken, it's after lunch, because I think I have an appointment at 9 o'clock. So for Tuesday, I'm going to leave empty. I'm just going to write down my work schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, perfect. I'm thinking, should I go ahead and outline the lunch like I normally do? I think I am actually. So let me do that really quick. Okay, perfect. I think that's good. The other thing I like doing is highlighting the week. And I'm sorry if this is repetitive. I have to say, like, I feel like I always do the same thing over and over again. But I always say, like, do what works for you. Do what like kind of works for your schedule and your life, really, because I mean, it's your planner, and if you share it online, like, it'll help somebody out, like it'll encourage someone. So just stick to what you know. The other thing I like doing is I like picking out a little Jesus sticker, because we have our RCIA classes every single week, so I want to pick one out that kind of goes. I'm thinking actually maybe something like this one. I think this was funny. I got these stickers at Five Below, and I just think they're the funniest thing ever. And I'm so thankful that I've actually been using them, because obviously, like, I don't know, like, I feel like a lot of us, including myself, are really guilty of like buying stickers and be like, yeah, I love these, and then we don't use them. So it's good to have a sticker that you actually use every single week. So I'm just gonna write down church at 9 a.m. Okay, oh, and then I need to grab this to draw the little squares right here. This one's also going to be blue. And this one would have been blue too, right? Yeah. Trying to just alternate it. Okay. Cute. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm going to look for a little coffee sticker that I can use. Should I use these or a different one? Let me see what we have here, because there's definitely like other coffee stickers that I know I have. Oh, like these. These are cute. I may use these actually. That's adorable. That is absolutely adorable. I'm going to alternate it and use this one. Oh no, it's stuck on my finger. Yeah. Then this one. Usually I do every other day, but I'm just going to go ahead and do one on each day, like, because why not? Oh, this one's already coming off, and then it went back on the page. No. I guess I could grab my tweezers, but whatever. I may have to for this one. Oh, no, just kidding. Yay. Okay, perfect. I wonder, there has to be. I was about to say, I wonder if there's someone that's selling, like, matcha stickers. That would be really, really cute. Oh, I'm going to use this one. That would be cute. Okay, and now I have to look for a little, like, coffee sticker. Oh, this one would work right here. And it's, like, the perfect color, so let's grab this one. Oh, not that one. Let's put it right there. And with that being said, I may have to, I'm not sure if I'll need that one. I'm just going to leave it as is for now, at least. I need a square, like a box. Wait, isn't there a box here? I thought I saw one. But would that be small? I mean, big enough? I don't think it'll be big enough. Maybe this one. That's good. I don't think there's any other boxes in here, but there has to be some in here. I even think I have a teal box. Let's see. I have a silver one. Oh, teal. Perfect. These are a little big though, so maybe I can cut it in half. Let's see. And then do like the overlaying the boxes like that. And that's good. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then I can put this little guy right there because I'm currently reading A Court of Wings and Ruin. So definitely want to track that. I have to share you guys, I've been posting on TikTok a little bit more regularly. So if you have a TikTok, like definitely follow me. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in case you're interested, because I've been trying to post a little bit more. I think it would be really fun to grow a little community over there and just have another place to hang out with everyone and share all the fun stuff. So yeah, if you have a TikTok, I would love to have y'all over there. And if you do go over there and check out my TikToks, comment on any one of the videos. I don't care which one. I comment to everything. I comment back to everyone. So yeah, if you go over there, let me know you're coming from TikTok and I'll make sure to obviously like respond. I'm going to put this right here so I can track. I'm going to try to also go back to YouTube. Not YouTube. This is YouTube. Oh no, I didn't mean to post that there. Oh, shoot. I do have my undo, but actually, perfect. I wanted to put it over here. Every single week, Matt and I go to the library and we check out some vinyls. So it's always pretty fun to do that. I wanted to just put a couple here. I feel like I really never use these, so I think it would be fun to put those there. Oh, they even have like these. I may put this. That would be fun. Cute and fun. Adorable. And this too. I love that. Okay, perfect. So I think that's pretty good. Like, I don't want to like overdo it. So obviously I feel like, yeah, I feel like this is, it includes everything that I normally do. Let me just write down my breakfast, lunch, and dinner sections down here. Oh shoot, I meant to put it over here. Lunch, dinner. I just messed up right there, but it's perfectly fine. I don't need to, it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, I think this works out pretty good. I love the way it turned out. It's pretty simple. It includes everything that I normally do, which is, as you can tell, here's everything. I have been doing Bible studies pretty much every single day, and I've been adding them before work, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, maybe add it after work, because I notice myself that I don't really like wake up early enough to do it, so, which is something I'm working on. Maybe I will, but I don't want to like put it on there and then not do it and then feel guilty. So I think I'll just add it on that day wherever I can. So I feel like this is pretty good. I love the way it turned out. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe. And if you want to check out my social media platforms, I'm on Instagram, TikTok, really all social media. So just find me. It's the Curvy Planner everywhere. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all again on Tuesday. Bye.